Hi there, my name is Maribeth Biagalan, and I'm excited to introduce myself as your new virtual assistant freelancer. As a newly graduated VA, I am here to help you streamline your business operation and boost your productivity. Whether you need assistance with email management, calendar scheduling, social media management, or administrative support, I've got you covered. My goal is to take those time consuming tasks off your plate so you can focus on what you do best, growing your business. I'm always eager to learn and adapt to your unique needs. I'm passionate about helping businesses succeed, and I'm ready to bring my enthusiasm and dedication to your team. Let's work together to make your business thrive. If you're ready to elevate your business, let's connect. You can reach me at my email address, imbiagalan@gmail.com, or check out my website. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you.